Tyler at Carli Suspension here. So today we're talking Bronco. So we make an all-inclusive system for the Bronco. Goes from coilovers, all the control arms you need, everything to correct geometry. We even do steering all the way from the rack out to the spindle itself. Gives you a double shear on the actual spindle. Strengthens up that steering system that is frankly a pretty weak part of the Bronco chassis. In addition to all this stuff, we do a torsion sway bar for the front to allow that front free movement. We do skids for our shocks and for our control arms. And then as you see here, we have fabricated control arms for the rear, so you can bash them on rocks and grind them over anything you need. In the front, we do a billet upper control arm. This corrects geometry to actually allow a little bit more range of motion in the truck itself. And then everything is wrapped around a King 2.5-inch coilover on all four corners. It's got our custom pistons inside, our custom valving. We make sure that we allow these Broncos to work as well as they possibly can while upgrading the strength of everything that we can touch.
You know, why is this better? This is a rear trailing arm. This is what is closest to the ground other than your axle shaft. So what are we doing with this when we're out wheeling? We're bashing it here, we're bashing it here, we're bashing it down here, and pretty much dragging it all the time. So when you have a unit that's built bomber like this, you don't have to worry about bending it. This is a Johnny joint, and this is fully rebuildable also, whereas your factory ones, if you wear out a bushing, you're replacing the whole radius arm or the control arm, you're just throwing it away. So you can get any of these parts, especially the Bronco parts, but any of the Carli stuff that we've hit on today at Sexton Off-Road.